Hi everyone! Here is the third video about keywords attribution of illustrations for microstocks. As I promised previously, I will cover cheats and tricks in today's video, and I will start with phrases. I guess many of you have already seen that it's possible to use phrases instead of single keywords, like in my example, beauty salon. Using these double keywords can help to increase the total number of keywords per illustration, overcoming the limit of 50 words. Having a beauty salon as a keyword allows me to have 51 keywords. Moreover, it allows to repeat some words. I have beauty as both a single keyword and a phrase. Such repetitions add weight to the repeated word and pull up the illustration in the search results. But be aware of the spam filter risk. When this trick was just discovered, some people started to use it in a bad manner, like here. We can see an attempt to pull up the image for logo and icon keywords. Other keywords are duplicated as well. Such work will be definitely declined by the microstocks inspectors. They even can block your account. Moreover, there is a bot which scans the database. In case it finds spam, you might get an email with a content like this. We have found spam in your portfolio. Clean it up or we might block your account. That's it. Your career at microstocks is over, so be very careful when using this trick. In my example, beauty salon is a real phrase. Santa Claus, Saint Valentine's Day are good examples too. And I'm just using one phrase among the keywords, not a bunch of them. So I'm quite safe from spam point of view here. Be careful. This trick can be applied to descriptions and titles. Using double keywords will be useful there too. But again, be very careful to not cross the line. Here are a couple of good examples of double keywords published by Shutterstock, which are not considered as spam. Dog is used 3 times in this example, but since it's really a dog, which plays with other dogs on a playground for dogs, it's not a problem. In the second example, there is no other way of saying that a runner is running. These descriptions are made for people, not just a search engine spam. Let's move on to the second trick. In case you have a number of similar images, you may speed up keywording by copying metadata. Here are 2 similar images. Stock Submitter has convenient buttons for copying metadata. Here is copy all information from the selected images to buffer. Buffer is on the bottom. Now select the second image and click Copy all information from buffer to selected images. That's it. Now we have a description, a title, all keywords, and even categories which have been selected previously. In case you have model releases, they will be added too. Next, if we have some time, we can adjust metadata to diverse them a bit. Thanks to it, you can extend coverage of the results, so let me show my adjustments here. I will add a small ethnic clarification, delete beauty, let it be hair instead, hairdressers will be replaced with spa, and I will add outline. That's enough. It's better to adjust the keywords the same way too. You remember that we found all these phrases in the previous video while performing analysis, and used some phrases for the first image and others for the second to extend coverage of search results. Let's move on to the third trick. It's about adjusting metadata of images which have been sold on microstocks. Here is a set of geometric symbols. I've opened it with Catalog Manager at Shutterstock. When uploading these images, I attributed them as abstract geometric emblems. Now I see that they look like magic symbols from fantasy movies or games like World of Warcraft. I'd like to add these new keywords, but I need to check current selling keywords to be sure not to delete them. I will open statistics to see all my works and their selling keywords. Let's take a symbol with a star. There are only 2 selling keywords here. I'll keep them and will replace some less relevant keywords from my point of view. To edit, click the button with a pencil. Let's change the description first. It looks better now, as I've added some game-related words like mana, rune, sprite. I will continue adding similar words to keywords of the image, removing to general with no sales. Thus, we push the illustrations into other niche that I initially didn't notice. You can adjust the attribution to fit new trends if the illustration fits them. Anyway, a revision of metadata after a while won't hurt. Moving on, trick number 4 is a quick and convenient attribution of a series of illustrations using tables. Here I have a series of patterns, and in Stock Submitter you can conveniently add metadata to several images at once. Having a series of similar illustrations, like these patterns, you can speed up the process using just a table like this one. All words are divided into categories. I have a set of general words for all seamless patterns. Here they are. Just copy, select, and paste them. I have a set of words related to Indian ornaments. I will add them to these 3 images. Moreover, I have color-related sets, and I will add them to these 3 patterns too. We copy necessary words for the rest of the illustrations in this series. For example, in black, you can add Arabic and black and white. Here in this table, everything is organized conveniently, so I can quickly copy and paste. Trick number 5. It is related to Adobe Stock. This microstock has one feature. The order of keywords does make difference. Shutterstock doesn't care about the order of the keywords. They will be organized in alphabetic order anyway. Adobe Stock counts the first keywords as the most relevant. I can move up care, hair, logo to get better search results for them. In the second video, I got good results for linear during analysis, so I will move it too. There is even a special button for it. Enter the word, click Insert as first, and the keyword will appear in the very beginning of the list. The trick number 6. Your illustrations can be attributed using artificial intelligence. And again, we will need Adobe Stock. Just upload your illustrations without metadata. I will use the same pattern as an example. Just use the feature for automatic generation of keywords. Click here, and that's it. Here are the suggested keywords. You may use them as a baseline, adjusting and adding new keywords. The result contains only 25 words, not 50. So if you have tables similar to those I have shown previously, you may add keywords here and copy them all together in Stock Submitter to add them as metadata to your illustration. The last but not the least, the trick number 7. Your images can be attributed by a keywordist, and it can be done free of charge. You have to be registered on Deposit Photos to get this service. How it works? You can contact technical support here. Describe the situation as you have a number of images, say 100 or 2, with no attribution due to lack of time, for example, and ask for their help. Usually, the support confirms that you may upload images without metadata, which will be added on their site. I cannot guarantee that they will provide this service to you, but they have contacted me with such a suggestion, even though I haven't asked them. Other guys have sent them such requests after talking to me and got attribution of the images free of charge. Then just copy metadata from the accepted images. Open files at Deposit Photos, click Edit, and copy keywords. To take the description, just copy it. If you don't work with Deposit Photos, you may contact their support with a link to your Shutterstock portfolio, asking them for help. They will provide you with an FTP so that you can upload files, both EPS and JPEG. They will add your portfolio themselves. They will add categories, keywords, descriptions, and everything else. You may also ask them to continue attributing your images in future. That's it for today. Guys, if you have other tricks related to attribution, please share in the comments to this video. In case I have other cheats, I will probably make one more video, so as usual, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and be sure to click on the bell icon to receive an alert when a new video is available. Good luck in your creative endeavors, and bye-bye!